Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we'll discuss 11 off-campus hiring update for college student freshers, pass out and experienced candidate are also eligible. All companies apply link you will get in the description box. Please do apply accordingly wherever you are eligible and interested. And also do join our WhatsApp and Telegram group link in the description box. And those who have not applied for the companies in from our last two videos, then please go through and apply. Don't miss the update because good companies are hiring now and they have good opportunity, good number of openings, so this is a great chance to getting the job. And yeah, so don't miss the update because those who had applied for this hiring, they are already getting the uh, response like for assessment and interview. Yeah, so if you missed any one hiring, then please do apply. Still many companies apply link are still active. And for Gensar also, those who have not applied, please check Gensar apply link are still active and people are candidate those who applied getting response for assessment mail and interview mail. And for other hiring also, because all are the genuine hiring, and we have posted all the good update for you guys. Okay, yeah, so please do apply. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Good. So first hiring is coming from IBM company. They are looking for 1025 batch student. This is a um, old hiring only, but those who have not applied, you can apply again. Okay, so here 2025 batch student are eligible. Yeah, so please do apply. This is a entry level off campus hiring for 2025 batch student. These all course candidate and branch candidate, I mean, are eligible for this role. They have hiring for final year student as well for 2026 batch student for internship role. So yeah, please do apply. Okay, so earlier also they had uh, notify this hiring, but the again they are notified. Okay, so we thought of giving you the update. Those who missed and those who not aware of these two hiring, then you can apply now. So final year graduate student are eligible for this hiring. They will give you first internship, 6 month internship, and then they will give you the full-time job also. So these two hiring is a very good update for 25 and 26 batch student. Please do apply as soon as possible. Next update is coming from Share Chat company, and this is a very good update for final year student and freshers pass out are also eligible. So 2025 batch, 2024 batch student, you are welcome. You are eligible to apply, and final year student, you can also try. You are also eligible. So this is a 6 month full time internship. Okay, and full time job will subject to performance during the internship. Hybrid mode होगा, 3 days ऑफिस आपका काम करना होगा, 2 दिन आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर सकते हो. बैंगलोर इज द जॉब लोकेशन. 50,000 इन हैंड आपको स्टाइपेंड मिलेगा. तो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड अपडेट, वेरी ग्रेट अपडेट फॉर ऑल फ्रेशर्स पास आउट 25 एंड 24 बैच के लिए, एंड इवन 25 सॉरी 26 फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट के लिए. सो प्लीज डू अप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट अपडेट जो यहाँ पे आ रही है वो कैप्जेनी कंपनी में हायरिंग है फॉर कस्टमर सपोर्ट एसोसिएट रोल के लिए. कोलकाता इज द जॉब लोकेशन. दिस इज द लेटेस्ट अपडेट ओनली. फ्रेशर ग्रेजुएट कैंडिडेट एलिजिबल है यहाँ पे. अगर आपके पास 1 ईयर तक का एक्सपीरियंस है, देन ऑल्सो यू आर एलिजिबल. सो प्लीज डू अप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. टैलेंट एक्विजिशन टीम की तरफ से जॉब पोस्ट की गई है. नौकरी पर इसका आपको जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन मिलेगा, आप वहां से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज अ गुड अपडेट. ओके, they have other role, other hiring update also for female candidate only. So here this is the interview mode is the virtual, you can attend from anywhere. Okay, so skill set is accounting and finance, BBA and become a student are eligible for this role, and the job location is Noida, Gurgaon. But yeah, this is a good update. You can share your CV to this mail ID. This is a great update for all female candidate. This is a good chance to get a job. Next update is coming from PA company, and this is for graduate trainee role. Okay, and this is a very big update for 24 and 25 fresher pass out student. Okay, you can check all the details and do apply accordingly. This is a great update, good company, you can expect good number of package. Next update is coming from Indium early. Okay, so here uh, they are hiring for Gen AI role. Okay, so this is the latest update only for November 25. Okay, freshers to 2 years of experience candidate are eligible. They will give you the immediate joining. Okay, so freshers are very much good to join this company. Okay, this is a very good update. Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad is the job location. Please fill all the details very carefully as soon as possible. If you have a skill set in GI, then yeah, it's a very good update for you guys. If you don't have, then please try to learn few basic thing. If you know Python, then it will good for you. Okay, yeah, so please do apply. This is a very good update. Check all the required skill set. Okay, so freshers are eligible, and if you have 2 years of experience, then you are also eligible. Next update is coming from Rupee company, and they are looking for experienced candidate. Okay, so if you have 2 to 5 years of experience, you are eligible here. Java Spring Boot is the job role. I mean the required skill set. So this is the link where you need to do apply. So it's a good update. Okay, so for experienced candidate, I know many of my viewers are looking for job change, and they have Java Spring Boot skill set. Yeah, so you can apply. Please do apply as soon as possible. This is a Google form you need to fill as soon as possible. Next update is going for remote job. So this is the work from home job, complete remote. This is an internship basically, and if you do well, then they will give the full-time job. So 3 to 6 months of internship. Okay, and this is the application link where you need to fill the form. So please do apply as soon as possible. Next update is for freshers student only. BTech, ME, MTech, BC, MC candidate are eligible. So they have basic requirement, I guess. Yeah, so if you know basic on these skills, then you can easily crack this interview. Okay, yeah, so they have multiple job role. Okay, domain for software development and testing. Okay, two role. Okay, yeah, so this is a great update. If you are interested, then please share your CV to this mail ID. Freshers are eligible. Next update is coming from Tech Mahindra company. They are looking for technical associate, support associate role. Okay, so they had mentioned everything. Okay, salary, shift, everything. Okay, yeah, so please criteria as well. So yeah, if you are interested, then please share your CV to this mail ID, and also you can do WhatsApp. Next update is for backend developer role. Okay, so internship is there. If you are fresher, this is a very good update for you. If you have 2 years of experience, then also you are eligible. Yeah, so please do apply. Share your CV to this mail ID. Last hiring is for full stack intern role hiring. This is also for fresher. Okay, so yeah, so please do fill this. Please do apply from here. This is the registration link, apply link. This is again a very good update. I hope guys this all hiring definitely help you, and soon you will get placed. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, thank you guys, all the